The next setup menu is the order menu buttons. The order menu buttons are very similar to the quick menu buttons. The difference between them is the fact that the quick menu buttons are used on the main screen for quick sales and can only be viewed 17 buttons at a time due to the many other elements on the main screen, and the order menu buttons are used on the order menu screen for sales tied to tables, bar stools, pickup, or delivery orders. And they can also be viewed 24 buttons at a time and have modifiers as well. Since the setup process is identical to the setup process of the quick menu buttons, we will go through it fairly quickly.